heard that.
How did you know that, Chloe?
My mother was a werewolf hunter. My mother was a great champion and was so good at hunting werewolves.
Wow, that's amazing.
Thank you. Let's tell the others to get Pizza Dom get to normal.
Okay.
Okay, is this everyone?
Bastian is not here.
How is Bastian not here?
He is at a forest, but a ghost in a looking creature is outside.
Pizza Dom is outside and still a werewolf. And Bastian's outside?
Yes.
I am in trouble now. Oh no, Pizza Dom, what happened to you? Chloe, Reece, help.
Hang on, Bastian, me and Reece are coming.
Thank you, Chloe and Reece.
You're welcome, Bastian. Here we go. Let's go and do a plan.
Oh my gosh, why the heck Chloe did that? What the crap? What happened to my hand? Oh no, I am a werewolf. I will kill all people.
Alright, let's go to this house, guys.
Yes. Chloe, others help me.
Holy crap, Pizza Dom, don't do IT to Colton.
Yeah, Pizza Dom, don't do IT. Phew, that is a relief.
Thanks, guys.
You're welcome. And Pizza Dom turned to a fictitious werewolf.
Wait, what? Pizza Dom is a werewolf, that is WHY. He came through the TR white bite.
Yep, and we call it the wolf bite.
Please don't.
Oh boy, never wanted to see that.
Yeah, I wish I unseen that.
Let's find Pizza Dom in a different place.
Good idea.
Let's go to the place.
So which place?
The place where Chloe and Pizza Dom used to go to on their first adventures together.
Okay, let's go.
Help. A werewolf is about to bite me.
Hey, Pizza Dom.
Thanks, guys.
Stay out of trouble. Okay?
Okay.
Come on, let's go. Yes, we're here.
Oh no, what the hell happened here?
Oh boy.
It looks terrifying.
Oh no. Did Werewolf Pizza Dom destroy all of this?
Yes.
Oh, I loved this place and now destroy.
Don't
Why,
worry,
Pizza
Chloe.
Dom?
We will
I wish
rebuild
this
this
never
place after we
happened.
get Pizza Dom.
Okay, let's go.
Chloe, how can you find Werewolf Pizza Dom?
Since you asked, Bastian. Here it is.
Oh, that's how?
Yep, this is the tracker where I can find Werewolf Pizza Dom.
Wow.
Looks beauty. Let's just go.
Alright. Will, this is the location, but we need to find a key. Let's find it.
Yeah, let's find the key.
Okay, let's go in. I found the key.
Okay, let's get in. Chloe, do you feel okay?
Chloe, I am stuck in my werewolf form's brain.
Pizza Dom, you're stuck in your werewolf form's brain?
Yeah, please help me get out of my werewolf form.
Oh man, okay. Wow. Look at this place.
Damn, that looks cool.
Yikes, but not now. Werewolf Pizza Dom is trying to kill us.
Alright, let's battle.
Oh no, Pizza Dom, I know you're there.
Chloe, don't go near.
Chloe, what are you doing?
Do you remember the starlight that we always note to assholes? They aren't real, they didn't tell us. They were not that much a cheap pie, just like you.
That's so sad.
And that was the story of my wolf bite adventure.
Chloe, thanks for rescuing me from my werewolf form.
Yeah, whatever.